In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off autocorrect on your iPhone, and it's actually a very simple process, so let's get started. Okay, so if you clicked on this, you probably know the problems that come with having this turned on, as you can't really type any slang words, as every time you press space to go on to the next word, it changes it just like this. So if you want to turn this off, just go to your home screen and find the settings app. I'm just going to do this by swiping down and searching for the settings up here, tapping on the settings icon. Now, once you get to your settings, just like this, you need to scroll down until you see general and tap on that, just like this. At this point, we just want to press on keyboard, just under date and time. Now scroll down to all keyboards section, just below with all the toggles, and you'll be able to see the autocorrect option just down one from the top. So to turn this off, just press on the green toggle to the right of autocorrection, and it should turn grey, which means it's now turned off. Now let's go back and test on our notes, and as you can see, as we try and type it again, it does not change automatically for me now, but you will still see the suggested words if you need them. So that's how you turn autocorrect off on your iPhone. If this video helped you out, please like the video and consider subscribing for more tips, tricks and tutorials just like this one. And if you have any further questions, leave them down below in the comments and I'm sure I can help you out. Anyway, I'll see you next time. Bye bye.